Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shows a carbonyl group, C is equal to O, bonded to an oxygen atom, O, which is the ester functional group, Cu. Moving on to the next step. On the left side of the carbonyl, there is a methyl group, CH3. This comes from ethanoic acid, acetic acid, CH3Cu, so the acyl part is the ethanol, acetyl, group, giving the ethanoate portion of the name. Moving on to the next step. On the right side of the oxygen, there is an ethyl group, CH2CH3. This gives the ethyl portion of the name. And for the final step, esters are named as alkyl alkanoates. The alkyl group is ethyl, and the acid-derived part is ethanoate from ethanoic acid. Together, ethyl ethanoate. CH3Cu2H5 corresponds to ethyl ethanoate, also known as ethyl acetate, which matches the drawn structure exactly. Therefore, the correct answer is ethyl ethanoate. The correct answer is shown on screen.